What's happening, my lovely little cherubs? It's me back again. Now, today I'm going to be talking to you about a few issues that I've had, or the issue as a whole, what I have, which is why left-hand path and right-hand path don't accept each other. Because I see you guys as family. And here is the reason why. You've got son of Adam, daughter of Eve, son of Lucifer or Satan, depending on your viewpoints. Then you've got daughter of Lilith. Where did Lucifer and Lilith originate from? Yes, I know technically some of them are fallen now. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get you guys to understand each other a little bit better and to communicate. Because this is what you should be doing anyway. Because if you guys are family, you've been divided over centuries because of what someone else has said or texts have been changed to change your viewpoint or your mindset so then you believe something which isn't what it is. What is you guys should be getting on and talking to each other, transferring from one, should we say, camp or community to another, talking to each other without trying to convert people to one side or another. That's people's choices. That's down to their free will. Just start accepting people for who they really are. For example, what is wrong with, let's say, a light worker having a relationship with someone that is of the left-hand path? There isn't. Because when you're light and someone else would technically be classed as dark, what happens? You guys come together. It's called unity. It's called balance. Not all the time. Yes, you can find people within your own community that you'll have something in common with. Most people, the reason why they don't do this is because they fear judgment. They fear people not understanding them. Push that to one side. See the world as different. That everyone did understand you as a person. What would stop you then? What would stop you as a vicar, a priest, anyone on right hand path, actually loving and accepting someone on left hand path? That's what is. That's what always has been. But you guys have failed to see it. This is why I'm sharing my story. Just think about it.